Imagine turning ideas, links, or products into high-quality video ads without filming, editing, or even being on camera. I know that sounds crazy, but I personally tested this system, created 6 different video ads from a single product link, and used those videos to generate real exposure and traffic online. Today, I'll show you how to create this and the tool I use. Right now, people are using AI-generated videos in a few powerful ways.
Runners say these shoes are amazing. The sole has great rebound. After running 5 kilometers, my knees don't feel sore at all. The upper is breathable mesh, cool in summer, and it won't get sticky even if you sweat. Super light with just right wrapping, not squeezing my feet, and no heel slippage. I wore them a week before reviewing. No obvious sole wear, upper support stays solid. Great for fitness and running, recommended.
What's up everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how this actually works, the exact tool behind it, and how beginners are using AI to create monetizable video content. There's a free trial and 50% off available right now, so I'll leave the link in the description if you want to test it alongside me. Let's break down the tool that makes this possible. The tool is called Pippit AI. It's an AI video agent designed to help you create ready-to-use marketing videos for platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Reels, and Shorts, without needing filming, editing skills, or production experience. Instead of building videos manually, Pippit handles the structure, visuals, pacing, and storytelling for you. You can turn links into videos, generate product ads automatically, create faceless influencer content, and produce multiple video variations in minutes. The goal is simple: create more content faster with real use cases. First, we open our browser and head to Google. In the search bar, we simply type Pippit AI and hit search. Right away, the first result appears, and we click on it to enter the official Pippit homepage. In just one step, we're inside a powerful AI platform built for effortless video creation. As we land on the homepage, we're greeted with a clean, modern interface that feels easy to navigate. Next, we click on the video generator section. Before generating our video, we adjust a few important settings. We start by choosing the video length, and in this example, we set it to around 50 seconds to create a full, engaging product advertisement. Then we select the language, making sure our message matches our audience. After that, we choose the aspect ratio, whether we want a vertical format for social media stories, a square format for feeds, or a widescreen format for YouTube. Finally, we select the AI model, which defines the creative style and quality of the final result. Every option is simple, clear, and beginner-friendly. Now it's time to add our product. We paste the product link into the generator, and in this example, we're using a high-quality Bluetooth headphone. Next, we paste our custom prompt, where we describe exactly what we want in the video. We can ask for a modern, tech-style advertisement, a dynamic avatar presenting the headphones, a clean background, bright lighting, and an energetic tone. We can even describe the avatar's appearance, voice, and presentation style. In just a few seconds, the final results appear. One of the most powerful features is that we can choose how many results we want. For example, we can ask Pippit to generate 5 different video versions at once. Each version may have a different visual style, voice tone, scene structure, or creative approach. This gives us full freedom to compare, select our favorite, or even test multiple ads for marketing campaigns. Pippit generates a complete professional video advertisement that looks polished, modern, and engaging. The avatar presents the Bluetooth headphones naturally, the visuals feel premium, the pacing is dynamic, and the overall production quality looks like it came from a real creative studio. The video runs for over 50 seconds, delivering a clear and persuasive product showcase. Now is your chance to start earning with AI. Pippit offers new users a free trial and 50% off, and if you've ever wanted to test AI-driven content creation without risk, this is the moment. The link is in the description. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of AI tools you want me to test next. I'll see you in the next one.